Hi, Louis in the UK, quick video. So, yesterday I cleaned up this rear tinware. I just grinded it all down and I've just cure rusted it. That's all and I did it top and bottom. Then I found some tinware screws, put them in, and it looks so much better now that it's all starting to look enclosed, obviously, because I've got the side trays in. Side tray's got the rear tray that holds the seal there. See? In there. And looks more complete, obviously, from a cooling point of view. We've got the gutters in. Gutters all the way along. So it's all starting to look normal now. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Let's have it running for a second. And then I'm going to go in and do some exercise. Put them in place. They still need clipping in. I've glued that one. So I've got to fix all these rips. Quite a few. That's a different day. And I've still got to do the doors. Get this in line. Yeah, those connectors. Just looking more. Middle of December 2000.